are pleased to show you the 2018 Nissan Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 mpg and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: LED headlights, premium package. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
At the Matthews Hot Corner on the corner of the Vestal Parkway and Sycamore, we've got over 500 pre-owned vehicles available, including 75 factory-certified Nissans with a great warranty, free maintenance, Carfax, and more, featuring a special low APR financing rate or extra rebates to well-qualified buyers. Learn more at the Hot Corner near the Town Square Mall.